Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to another video. And today ngayon na magta-transform tayo ng isa pang Transformer character, which is ito isang Decepticon. Ito is Decepticon Longhole. Do you know Decepticon Longhole is the live action film Transformers 2 Revenge of the Fallen, which is the 2009 film. Now touch all Transformers characters first time. Very cool talaga. Then ng Transformers kasi sikat yun eh. Bali, nakongolekta yung tito ko nito. Okay. Nakongolekta siya nito. Marami siyang collection sa kwarto niya ito. Hiniram ko lang to. Bali, di ko siya collection. Collection siya ng tito ko. Okay. May mga Transformers dyan sa kabilang kwarto eh. Nakakita ko lang eh. Madalas na ako nakongolekta eh. Alam nyo po ba guys, gusto ko rin maisipan mangolekta ng mga Transformers. So, gusto ko rin sana. Sana magustuhan ko rin. I wish gusto ko talaga si Bumblebee. Which is yung yung Camaro, yung Leo 10 na guardian ni Optimus Prime. Okay, so tong Decepticon na to is, itong Transformer member na to is yung Decepticon, which is member siya na Decepticon created by Megatron. So sumama siya sa mga Constructicons upang buuin yung isang malaking buhalang Decepticons na si Demolishor. Okay, ta-transform natin tong bilang robot. Okay, you ready guys? Let's transform him. Okay, first we have this one, Decepticon Longhole here. Okay. Put this down and then hatiin to sa dalawa. Then baba to and then baba rin to. And then pwede naman to itaas. Which is tataas ko naman to eh. Pwede naman taas eh. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, diba? Oh, okay. Okay, this one here, we'll get out this. Tatagal na nito. Okay. Yan. Flip his arms, then move like this, then move like it, and rotate his hands. Rotate. Okay. Rotate it. Okay. Then up this one. Okay. Put this up, and then first time to touch any Transformers movies. I like, mas gusto ko kasi live action kasi simula nung bata si Tito Mark nanonood siya ng Transformers, yung anime which is yung G1 ng Transformers. So, transforming him. Okay. Put these arms. So, itong Longhole na to is Voyager class eh. Ang transform, binuhin kong robot ng mga nakaraan is yung deluxe class na Jazz, yung first Transformers movie. Okay, how can I stand Longhole up this? Oh my god, tagal palang gawin to. So guys, Voyager class ito eh. Voyager class, Voyager Transformer. Okay, rotate it back, flip back, rotate it like this. Okay naman. Aha, and this is the I like it, very cool about it. Yeah, but it's really cool. And definitely much more cooler than more than that. But yeah, Transformers very cool. Masyado sikat talaga. Pakinis talaga to eh. Love up. Okay, rotate this. Okay. Rotate it, and then rotate, then take this up. There we go. There we go from the back. Here's the back. Okay, rotate it, rotate. Okay, kaki. Let's go. Okay, here is Longhole now. He is robot mode. Here's robot mode now. Robot mode na siya ngayon. Haha. So, tingin ko makakapag-transform ko to. Finally, na-transform ko na yung malaking Decepticon na to. Which is itong Decepticon na to, yung natake niya si Sam Witwicky sa movie, at saka si Mikila sa part 2 ng Transformers. Okay. So, kilala nyo ba kung sino yung gumanap kay Sam Witwicky? That's right. Yun ay si Sheila Bap. And then yung gumanap kay Mikila, edi si Megan Pax. Megan Fox. Okay, nagustuhan ko. Okay. Na-transform ko na siya. May ticulation siya, naro-rotate. It comes with the sword. Boom. And the other arm, which is this one here. Wow, diba? Oh. Okay, mission complete now. Mission complete. You know what I like Transformers eh. Matagal na kasi ako eh. Kasi 2009 pa nilabas yung part 2 yung Revenge of the Fallen. Okay, so tagalin natin ito video, okay. See you later.